Okay, welcome to week 5 of our Tesla high probability option trading strategy. So I belong to some Facebook groups, and there's a lot of people trade Tesla and Netflix and things like that, but Tesla mostly, and they look at Tesla. It's kind of crazy. I said in last week's video, prior to the 5-to-1 split, Tesla was almost at 900, and it's interesting because my mentor Trader Travis, actually documented Tesla, and he gave our students a fantastic template, so to speak, or a way to trade Tesla and Apple before a split. But here's the interesting part. If you did what Travis showed you, you would be making a ton of money right now. I can't even tell you, because it was at $900 before the split, and you can see the other day it was almost at that $900 mark. Now it's dropped down. We've had a big drop. If we go to the chart, you can see that big drop, and if we look down at volume's always important. You can see high volume on that drop. So it's a substantial drop. It tells me that managers, the big fund managers, are probably taking their profits here, and that's what caused this drop. I don't know the real reason, but when I see a lot of volume, like when you see these spikes in volume, these are big institutions doing buying or selling. These aren't just you and I, the retail investors. Anyway, because we're doing high probability trades, we have to pay attention to big drops and big moves in the stock because we don't want to get assigned. Now, when we look at our positions, we're in pretty good shape because we have everything around the 6 and 500 mark. But as I've stated in other videos, make no mistake, there's, Tesla in a week can drop. You can see these are huge drops. They can drop in a week. In this so there's nothing we can do about our trades. Our trades are just sitting there. You can see the profit margins are at the 14. We haven't hit our 50% mark, which is what we're doing this month. So nothing to be alarmed about yet. Nothing to be doing. We just kind of sit tight. We got to check these every day because Tesla moves, like it's crazy what it does. And one of the templates I use is MarketClub. So MarketClub gives me signals. Are they exactly right all the time? No, but they're right a majority of the time. And I've left links in all the other videos. I'll leave another one down below, which will give you a free trial run of MarketClub. What I love about MarketClub, I've been using it for many, many years now, ever since I joined the Success Academy. And what I love about it is when my emotions are a little frazzled, which I'm like any other human being, my emotions get frazzled from things that are going on, especially in our country, like what happened last week. This is what I use. A lot of people use these moving averages. I use MarketClub because it's pretty darn reliable on what it does. I go to my indexes because right now, I trade a lot of SPY. Are we expecting the market to drop? Well, according to MarketClub, I've seen there's a little bit of weakness. It's gone from a plus 100 to a plus 90. So there's a little bit of weakness, but I'm not seeing any triggers here. When I see a red daily, which happens, you get red dailies all the time, especially on stocks like Tesla. Let's look at Tesla real quick. Look at the dailies. I don't use dailies. Day traders, I think, use dailies, but I don't, because they would whipsaw me in and out of trades. I'd get in, I'd get out, I'd get in, I'd get out. It's just crazy. I use the weeklies and the monthlies, so I usually take the dailies off. But you can see we're green across the board on Tesla. We have a weekly and a monthly. We had a weekly here and then a red one. And you can see these reds will usually get you out of trouble. Usually the monthlies are better. Yeah. So I think we got to go back to a 2-year chart, and you can see the monthly. And if you used MarketClub and use this monthly to get into Tesla, you've made an awful lot of money because it hasn't proven incorrect. And this is what I used for the last market crash. It helped me gauge when the market was nearing its bottom. We have a template system that we use in conjunction with MarketClub, and it works like a charm. And it doesn't time the exact bottom for us, but it gives us that confidence to get back in the market, which is very difficult to do when something crashes really hard. And when we go into a bear market, that was my first bear market since trading options, and I can tell you it's kind of nerve-wracking to get back into the market after a bear market. So MarketClub made it pretty darn easy for me and seamless to do it. So that's all I wanted to cover. MarketClub, it's a fantastic product. I can't say enough about it. I've left you links below where you can give it a test run for, I think it's a free, they change them a lot. Sometimes they have a 30-day free trial. Sometimes it's just a 7-day free trial, or a 30-day for $1. You can try out MarketClub, cost you $1, and you can try it out for 30 days. I think you'd find it's well worth the money to spend. And then if you're new to options trading, you've been following this and you want to do MarketClub options, this is a program taught by Travis. This is a fantastic program. As a matter of fact, you can no longer join the Success Academy until you go through this, because what we found over the last couple of years is our MarketClub mentor, or our MarketClub students that came over to the Success Academy have just killed it. They've crushed it. They've taken what they've learned from the MarketClub options blueprint, and then it was a seamless transition into the Success Academy, where they learn a little bit more, some of the more difficult strategies or more involved strategies, and they're able to just kind of roll with it. So, all right, that's it for this week, you guys. If anything changes, today's only Tuesday, so if anything changes, I'll put out another video. I think we're just going to kind of ride the week through, see what happens. So you guys take care. Happy New Year to everyone, and hope you're staying safe. Take care.